Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 5 latest defense updates. Number 1, Indian Navy's TEDBF faces IAF's cold shoulder. The Indian Navy's plan to develop a 26-ton carrier-borne fighter jet, the twin-engine deck-based fighter that is TEDBF, seems to be hitting turbulence from the Indian Air Force. The IAF has reportedly shown little interest in the Navy's proposal for an Air Force variant named Omni Role Combat Aircraft. According to senior IAF official who requested anonymity, developing the ORCA would be a redundant exercise. The IAF is already heavily invested in the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, a domestically developed 5th gen fighter jet in the same weight class as the ORCA. Next, briefing on nuclear submarine program by France. Chief of the Defense Staff General Anil Chauhan's visit to France marks a significant milestone in the deepening of bilateral defense cooperation between India and France. During his visit, General Chauhan was given a scheduled tour of the French submarine base at Brest, with a possible extension to Toulouse, showcasing France's advanced naval capabilities and technologies. The French submarine base of Brest holds strategic importance as the home port of the ballistic missile nuclear powered submarine, that is SSBNs, of the French Navy, known as the Marine Nationale. Notably, 4 Triomphant class submarines stationed at Lille long comprise France Force Oceanic Strategic, that is FOST, which forms the backbone of France's nuclear arsenal. Next, Indian Navy sets sights on self-reliance. The Indian Navy has set its sights on a future of self-reliance, aiming for complete indigenous construction of its warship by 2040. This ambitious goal signifies a significant step towards India's strategic autonomy in maritime defense. Despite advancement in domestic shipbuilding, the Indian Navy still relies on imported components for its warship. Crucial elements like gas turbine engines sourced primarily from Ukraine or the United States, and the key sensors acquired from Israel or Germany remain a part of the current infrastructure. Next, why India's hypersonic missile program is likely to miss its deadline. India's hypersonic missile program is a critical endeavor aimed at propelling the country into the realm of advanced weaponry. Hypersonic missile travel at speed exceeding Mach 5, 5 times the speed of sound, and possesses unique capabilities that challenge traditional defense systems. India's hypersonic journey is intervened with the success of the BrahMos supersonic cruise missile, a joint venture between India's DRDO and Russia's NPO Mashios Throryania. The BrahMos 2, currently under development, leverages hypersonic scramjet technology. Next, a major upgradation for naval base for night combat at Andaman and Nicobar. India's strategic defenses in the Andaman and Nicobar Island have received a significant boost with the recent upgrade of IN Utkrosh. This naval air station, which plays a vital role in the supporting Veer Savarkar International Airport, has been equipped with new advanced landing systems. The collaborative efforts of the Indian Navy and the Airports Authority of India have resulted in the installation of a new advanced landing guidance system, precision approach path indicator, and a CAT-2 approach lightning system at INS Utkarsh. These advancements coupled with the existing instrument landing system by the AAI, effectively transform Port Blair Airport into a precision instrument runway. Thank you.